Ladies and gentlemen, as the Minister responsible for Commerce, Trade and Tourism, it would be remiss of me if I didn't acknowledge how wonderful it is to actually walk around Denarau and see it coming back to its former glory. Contrary to what some former politicians or politicians actually want to talk about today, about Denarau not being what it used to be. Well, they're most definitely wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to be here, to join you this evening as part of the Bhagwan family's achievement in officially launching Grill's Restaurant, Bar and Port Denarau. Just a couple of days ago, I was at the sister restaurant in Suva enjoying a wonderful meal. And over the last few weeks, we've seen quite a number of businesses opening around the country, simply indicating investor confidence and also as our economy recovers. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered to launch another venture, feeling the resilience of the business community within this particular township. Vimal and Divesh, the location of your establishment here in lively Denarau is ideal, and it's actually dynamic and exciting at heart. And I'm sure Grill's Restaurant and Bar, Port Denarau, will be added to the bucket list of those seeking culinary experiences that you will actually offer. I'm told that about 18 Fijians will be employed at Grills, all from different trades of life. So Vimal and Divesh, when your business means a source of employment for young Fijians who want to be part of our vibrant tourism industry, and that of the gastronomy aspect and experience offered by Port Denarau. In fact, when I was talking about young Fijians being employed there, I understand we've got people from all walks of life, engineers, pilots, etc., who are now part of the hospitality industry, and they've actually pressed the reset button on their careers and found different jobs completely. Like many other businesses, ladies and gentlemen, built on an ambition, the love for food has enabled these two brothers to open doors to the second store in Fiji, and the first being Grill's Restaurant Bar in Nodala Bay in Suva in November 2020. And this is actually despite the pandemic, so my hat's off to you. And I must admit I'm a frequent visitor there, and I really do enjoy, I like most families in Suva, I do enjoy the lovely food that's on offer. And I want to also say thank you to all of you for keeping yourselves afloat during the pandemic, keeping any hungry patrons who normally love the evening life in Suva, keeping them fed from your restaurants during the pandemic. Today, the team, ladies and gentlemen, under the leadership of Vimal and Divesh, are preparing also for the tourism market. We've opened back up, and they're offering a healthy menu supported by 80% of local producers. So thank you very much, and I think it's a wonderful achievement. And all of this is local produce purchased from Fijian-owned companies, and making them a perfect example of the food experience that connects you to Fijian flavors. The pandemic has taught us to adapt to new situations, so I commend the Bhagwan brothers for venturing into this investment to the tune of about $400,000 to establish an impressive space with future ambition to form Fiji's first franchise. Good luck and good on you. The operation will continue to be the much needed boost for this particular locality, and will offer a fresh menu for many of the patrons of our local patrons also. Local patrons and the tourism patrons who will start flooding our shores, and sooner the better. We know that certain businesses were recognized to be more delicate than the others during this particular pandemic, and whilst the pandemic remains a challenge at all intervals, and business adaptability, compliance, and high vaccination rates to a very great extent has a part in allowing us to safely open our international borders to visitors late last year, and now support the removal, of course, of the 3-night quarantine stay at the Care Fiji Commitment Certified Hotel is the next step in our economic recovery. Back to today's event, ladies and gentlemen, I once again commend the Bhagwan family, and especially Vimal and Divesh and the team at Grills, Bar and at Port Denarau, and for aspiring towards turning their love for food into a business with a determination. And I wish you all the very best in your business ventures and the franchise issue that you're actually looking at. And I wish you all the success. And certainly, definitely glad to be here. And now we don't always have to just think about this particular restaurant being so well. I will also take this opportunity to say thank you to Mr. Richard Patel. Where is he? Always behind the scene, known to me for about 30 years. Ritesh has done a fantastic job with the two boys in developing this. And my hats off to you, my brother. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Naka.